Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me while I explain the different states of matter, kinetic molecular theory, and the phases that these states of matter go through. Kinetic molecular theory is the theory that particles of matter are always in motion, and that this motion has consequences. Developed in the late 19th century to account for the behavior of the atoms and molecules that make up matter. The three states of matter that I'm going to discuss with you guys is 1. Solid, 2. Liquid, and number 3. Gas. All solids have a definite shape and volume. In solids, the particles move slowly, are tightly packed together, and travel on fixed paths. An example of a solid is ice. Ice is water in a solid state. What would happen when the kinetic energy of ice increases? The ice starts to change its form. This phase of matter is called melting. Melting is a phase of matter when a solid turns to a liquid. During this endothermic process, heat is absorbed, causing the kinetic energy to increase, raising the temperature. When the temperature rises, the particles start to move rapidly and start to separate, losing its definite shape. Now the ice has changed to a liquid. In the liquid state of matter, particles move more rapidly than in solids. Liquids, however, have a definite volume, yet unlike solids, they do not have a definite shape. For example, if I place this rock inside this jar, the rock keeps its shape. And when I add a liquid in the jar, the liquid takes the shape of the container. One of the key factors that aid in matter-changing states is temperature. Temperature is the measurement of kinetic energy, which is also how fast molecules travel. But also note that absolute zero is the temperature in which all molecular motion stops. The transition from liquid to gas happens during the evaporation phase. Here, we see water reaching its boiling point. The vapor that we see rising out of the pot is evaporated water. The final state of matter that we will discuss is gas. Gas has no definite volume and no definite shape. The particles in gas move around rapidly and randomly. This latex glove is filled with a gas known as carbon dioxide. Although invisible, we know that there is gas inside of the glove. Because the glove is inflated like a balloon, when we poke a hole in the glove, the gas escapes and deflates the glove. The condensation phase is an exothermic reaction in which gas transitions to a liquid, as you can see right here. The freezing phase is the phase when a liquid changes into a solid. Thank you guys for joining me and learning about the kinetic molecular theory and the states of matter.